What's up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. Today I will demonstrate how to install this dashboard I created using PHP and HTML to your website. This would allow you to easily create content, create new files, track visitors, different things like that. I coded out a whiteboard type area where you can just leave notes and save yourself notes. You also have a message area where you'll get a contact form similar to the starting site's contact form, and whenever someone fills that form out, those messages will appear in this area opposed to being sent to your email or anything like that. So the first thing I want to talk about is how to get this system, and you simply go to startingsites.com. I have a page I'm working on right now. Once I'm done with this video, I'll upload the video, but it's going to be startingsites.com/software/ and this will take you to this page, and you'll hit the download button, and you'll get a folder called dashboard, and you'll have, let's go back to the beginning, you'll have these on your initial page of the folder, and then when you click into dashboard, you'll get all the coding that makes the system work. Feel free to edit this coding as much as you want to and customize it to do different things. I built it using coding found at W3 schools. So if you want to, learn how to edit this system or customize the system, this is definitely one of the best ways to learn code. This website, it teaches all the languages I know and more. I don't do Bootstrap and I don't do Angular. But let's go back to the dashboard, or actually let's go to the folder, back to the folder, and back to that first page. So in my first video, I discussed how to create a website using Photoshop, right, without using code, turning your Photoshop file into code using a converter, things like that. So if we go back into Photoshop, just to get a quick view, I know the website that I created didn't have as much styling because I was kind of trying to get that video done in a certain amount of time. I did some additional styling off video, and this is the web page I ended up with. So once I export this page by clicking that build button, I'll get a folder with the page's name. The most important file, of course, is the index file, because that is the complete look of the Photoshop file. So you go and you'll simply pull up your dashboard folder and just drag and drop these pages into that folder. Once you've done that, you can go into a code editor. I use Notepad++. It's a free code editor you can download, and this will allow you to go into the index page of that folder, and you can open up one of our pages, either the blog page or the page in this software as well. And just right click and hit edit in Notepad, and we simply copy and paste the PHP, which ends at line 25 of the page.php page, onto our index page at the very top. And we'll go and we'll grab this line of code down here, which will allow us to add content. And we'll just replace where it says YouTube video. We'll just make it say YouTube video from the dashboard. So we'll save index as a index.php file. Now that we have made those changes, we can go and upload our entire untitled folder onto our server. You can use FileZilla, or you can use the file manager in your hosting account. or any other software you use to upload your files. I've already uploaded my files. Now I can go to one of my pages, because we just turned our design into a full template, a full website template. So now we can display any information from any of the pages we created onto that template. Let's see what we have inside of the Make Money on YouTube page. So let's go to edit, and all this page is saying is just some dummy information. When people ask how much money I make on YouTube, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's see how this text looks on our template. So we'll go to untitled, index.php, and then we just put in that ID for the Make Money on YouTube page. If you looked at the bottom left hand corner of your screen, you'll see that the ID for this page is 39. The ID for the guide to starting a website is 38. The ID for generating free website traffic is 37, and so on. So we can go to our template, which used to say YouTube video. Now it says what we have inserted into the database using our dashboard. So if we go to page 38, you're going to get that information. And of course, you know, we have to make sure that the information fits into our design, but I'm just kind of doing this to kind of show you guys how we can display information, you know, on our design using PHP. Let's go to 37. You can see that the design doesn't change, but the information changes. So let's go back to 39, because 39 actually looks like it's supposed to be that way. That's how you incorporate the dashboard into your web page design. Now we have to actually make the dashboard work on our server by creating a MySQL database and connecting to it using a script. But I'm going to do that in a different video, because I'm going to refer to that database connection video and other videos down the road. So like I said, you can edit this dashboard, make it look the way you want it to look. You can change where it says starting sites dashboard. I don't care what you put there. That's why I had admin.php up in the editor. You know, you can change, you know, where it says starting sites dashboard by just simply going to your admin page or changing it. And of course, you'll have to go to every page in that dashboard folder and, you know, make those changes. But that's up to you. The system works. I've tested the system out. The tracking works. The message system works. Creating pages, editing pages. The one thing I do want to add is a save button here, which will stop us from publishing, you know, work in progress. But I'm going to get that done before I let you guys download this from startingsites.com. So hopefully this video helped you with the installation process. Of course, the folder that I provide you from startingsites.com, once you click download, will have installation instructions inside of it, and it kind of go more in depth on how to use different aspects of the dashboard. But the main thing I wanted to show you guys is we don't have to keep creating new pages in Photoshop, and you know, we don't have to keep creating different files and exporting those files and uploading those files. We can simply use PHP to display our content on, you know, say we created a page, a template style page. I have a blog area, you know, where I don't really need to do too much differently from, you know, one blog to another. I'll just use my CMS dashboard. And if you have any questions, comment on this video or go to my contact page at startingsites.com.